Tasha, £500.
So guys, I didn't do an intro. Okay, so I didn't film me going because I was running late and I was driving, but I had my lash lift done, and honestly, I have never had lashes that just look like this. Also, please don't mind my eyebrows, these will get done. But yeah, like, who is she? Who actually is she? So I can't wet my eyes for the day, so I can't cry. So I then have a hair appointment, then I need to get a brow appointment, and I need to get my nails done.
1 week later.
Today I am going to get my brows done, get my hair done, and then I don't know if they have any availability to get my nails done because they're like super busy at the moment, so I don't know. I'm gonna call them and see though. I'm really torn about getting acrylics or just getting them basically like with gels. Yeah, ready for me to have a glow up and not look like a troll. So I am on my way. I love this angle, it's so nice. I'm on my way to my appointment to get my hair did. I'm excited, you know, because I haven't dyed my hair or done anything to it apart from a haircut since like this time last year, and my hair grows like crazy, so I'm excited. I think I'm gonna get a little bit brave and just, you know, proper switch it up, and then if I've got time I'm gonna see if I can squeeze in a nail appointment. I haven't booked, so we'll see. Okay, I am sorry, but this is just so nice. Like, she framed it. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my nails done now. Hopefully they are still open. I think they are, but yeah. Okay, bye. So I am so freaking pleased to tell you that I have got my nails done, and I just feel so much more put together. Watch me talk a lot with my hands, but also how fab does my hair look? Like, I'm actually obsessed with it. Fee did such a great job. I am just, yeah, just so, like, I'm just so pleased with it. And also she styled it and everything. So I wasn't gonna go out tonight, not gonna lie, but I think I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to. So when I go home, I'm actually just on a drive-through, gonna go get McDonald's, but I'm gonna go home, put some makeup on, put on a cute outfit, and then that'll be like my glow up.
Few moments later.
So now I'm just going to do my makeup because why not? So let me just get my hair out of the way. I'll just do like a quick time lapse.
Bye.
So I just kept the top that I was wearing and then put on these jeans. Oh my god, messy. And yeah, it's gonna be cold, so.
The next morning.
So Ash does this thing where when I go and shower and it's just the two of us, she'll sneak back upstairs and jump back into bed. So I'm trying to wake her up so that, you know, she's had her breakfast and everything and she's just so lazy. But then when we go out for a walk, she's gonna be like super hyper because she just, man, she's just so lazy. But yeah, I'm so lazy. So Ben said to not get this, but I don't listen to him. So I'm going to unbox my new hoover. So I got the Dyson V11 Animal. I picked this up from Curry's. It was £7. Don't Google it because you don't know which one it is. Don't Google it! It's, fine, it's Dyson V10. But this is for animals and we have an animal. Babe, can you open this bit for me, please? Can you please?
£499.
I just need to get some.
Tasha, £500.
Babe, please can I just have scissors?
£500.
Please can I just have, I paid for it. Such a hater. Don't let a man tell you what to do. I could have gone for the $650, but I didn't.
Oh my god, that's for you to be scared, eh?
Dyson vacuum is charging now. I had like an older one, but it broke because of Ash, so she owes me money. So yeah, I've waited like 3 months to get a new one just because I was like, we'll see, because we have like the big Dyson one with the ball, but I just hate lugging that around like upstairs and downstairs, so I just really wanted to get another one. I thought I'd sleep on it, wait on it, and because it is quite expensive, I waited like literally since the beginning of, like, actually since last year to get a new one. And then yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I do need to check on turnip prices because yesterday Twitter was glitching. It was literally showing one tweet for the hashtag turnip prices, which is bullshit because there's always so many people on there. But yeah, also still in love with my hair, so Ben wants to watch something, but I don't want to watch Parks and Rec because I like it. I think it's funny. It's just not The Office. But I wanted to watch that Promising Young Woman or something like that. But I want to watch it on the weekend. But then we also wanted to watch the Judas and the Black Messiah. But we want to watch that on the weekend. Can you help me put my plants back, please? Can you help me put my plants back? Amazing. My plants from the sink. Hi, Ash. Hi, baby. I'm gonna get some treats and play with her. Why am I crying? Good morning. It is 7 a.m. because I had a lion today. Thanks to Bernie, took Ash out this morning. And she comes back to bed and chills with me until I wake up. But yeah, now I'm gonna get up, get in the shower, go get dressed, put my pan of chocolate in the oven so that it's nice and toasty for when I drive, because I like to have it in the car. Also, if you have a Fiat 500, you probably know that the cup holders are just ridiculous because they like don't really hold anything apart from like cans and like small cups. Oh, she wants to be in the video. You want to be in the video? Oh my gosh, so sleepy. Hello. So Ben bought me like this thing that you put in, like an extender kind of thing. So you put it in, but then it has like a cup holder on top of it. Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready now. I don't know what to wear, but we'll figure it out. Hey guys, so I'm in my car because I went to Tesco's just to do some like, you know, like top up shops. And then we get our meat from Aldi back home. So I just picked up some stuff. And I just picked up this dry as hell chicken slice because I was like, oh, I want a chicken slice. I have Quavers. I have a half iced tea, half lemonade, Arizona iced tea. I really don't know where the morning went because that went by so quickly today, which is good. But I've got quite a bit. Oh my god, I need to drop my drink on me. But I've got quite a few things to do this afternoon too. And I was thinking of going to IKEA because I need to get little bits and bobs. I was gonna get a desk, but that's not gonna fit just yet. I need to sell my actual, basically the things that I want to get rid of in my office are the things that can still be sold. So I'm gonna do that, and then once they've kind of gone, I can then pick up my new desk or whatever. I have a couple more minutes. Yeah, I don't know if I can be bothered to go to IKEA though. I'm gonna Google if I can fit the bookcase that I want in my car, because I have the biggest, fattest car in the world. It's Fiat 500 lounge though, don't get it twisted. It's a lounge, which means it's the bigger one. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fit that bookcase. If not, I still need to get some organization stuff. Oh, that man's eating his lunch in his car too, buddy. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna not leave this in my car because it's gonna stink. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. You'll probably catch me back in my car in a little bit. I mean 3.5 hours when I finish work, and we'll see. I should go to IKEA because what else am I gonna do? Arsenal's playing tonight. They're playing Villarreal. I only really like watching Premier League games, so Ben can then just watch that and play FIFA, and I'm not going to bother him because I will bother him otherwise. So, do me a favour. Okay, so this is a really nice angle, but I've just finished work. I'm now walking to my car. So I think I'm definitely going to go to IKEA. I'm just going to see how I feel when I get in my car, but I think I will because I've got quite a long weekend and I didn't want to kind of dedicate a whole day to that. So I am now in the car park, but I forgot how annoying the car park is here. It doesn't, I don't know, there's quite a few cars at the bottom level if you've been to the one in Croydon, because that's the closest one to me, but there's quite a few cars parked, but whether it's busy, who knows. I purposely went on like a day like today, like Thursday after work, because this is going to be a long weekend, so Lord knows how busy it's going to be this weekend, so I did not want to risk it. I wanted to just get that done. But yeah, I'm just trying to find a space, and I'm literally going to just pass out from excitement, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna, I'm done. Okay, that guy was fucking excited to come to IKEA that it literally was just like zoom. Where are we going, guys? Okay, that guy's felt like a dickhead, so we can't go there. I'd just like to creep a little bit because you never know where spaces are. Like, this is the thing, right? So when my other half tries to find parking spaces, he will literally be like zooming through, and I'm like, how do you know where spaces are if you're legit just like zooming through? Like, there's no freaking way. I didn't see if there was a queue or anything, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, fab, this'll do. Great. Now let's see if it's busy. I'm really hoping it's not, but you just never flipping know, do you? So I'm gonna bring these. I'm gonna bring my bag, and I'm gonna bring you guys. So yeah, hopefully it's all good. I'm not bringing a coat because I'm sure it'll be fine in there. So see you inside. It is Monday, bank holiday Monday. Say morning. Say morning. Oh, she's so sleepy. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Love my hair. Ben's just in the shower, but we are going to Brighton today to celebrate my little sister's birthday. It's actually today. So yeah, that'll be quite fun. The weather hopefully should be okay. I mean, I think it's supposed to rain later on this afternoon, but it is what it is. But I'm also supposed to be well, a lady contacted me because I put a couple of my IKEA stuff on a marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace, because I'm just trying to get rid of them, and she is meant to be coming at some point today before 11 o'clock. Well, she said before 10, but I don't know, she hasn't messaged me or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, I want a matcha latte today. Yeah, I'll have a matcha latte, like a coffee. So I don't really like to put hairspray in my hair, just so I just brush it out and let it drop, and then it kind of, you know, stays for a while. I still need to find a way to make this fall the same way as this, but I made the mistake because I used a curler instead of a straightener for hair. So, you know, we learn. But yeah, that's the hair. And then as for makeup, I literally, like I said, just did the most minimal thing, and my mirror is so dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed now, so yeah.
Bye.
Ube shake, and then this one's leche flan shake, and then my kasama siya leche flan at the top.
Lola is asking, is that ube shake or ube ice cream?
Ube shake.
And then Trey has Milo.
Oh, yeah,
Happy birthday, Alex! Cheers.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that is so nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
Cheers.
That is so nice. That is so nice.
I know.
Oh, this is so nice. Let me try your Milo.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Use the right
Oh my
straw.
gosh, it actually tastes like it.
Use the
That is Milo.
I haven't tried it yet.
Let me try this one.
Wait,
Oh
let me.
my gosh, that is so nice.
That's so, actually all, yeah, they're all nice.
Wow.
There's a milkshake.
Cake.
Wow, isn't that? I don't even follow that account.
It's like at Redmond Rock Sister.
Oh.
Come on. What cake is it?
Light it up, Ben. I mean, you can't blow it, but
Oh, we can't?
I don't think you
It
can.
like sparkles.
Is this? Yeah, it's this.
It takes ages.
Yeah.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
20 ka